Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I just wanted to really quick explain what the poll function is and what it does. So pretty much simply put, you can use the poll function on a panel or an operator to make it available only under a certain condition. So as you can see, my button right here is currently being able to be clicked. You can see I have kind of like a warning there, and then I can still click it. But if I put a poll function here and I only run it under a certain condition, this could have the potential of being grayed out if the condition is not met, and it applies the same way for this panel. So it might sound a little bit vague, but let me just go ahead and write a quick poll function to kind of help you visualize what I'm saying. So I'm gonna say def poll. I'm just gonna say CLS context. CLS means class and context is just the context. And then I'm going to type the colon, enter, and then I'll just say return context.active_object is not none. So this is the default poll function. Now there is one last thing we need to do in order for this function to work, and it is add the class method decorator. So we're going to type in class method with the @ symbol, and this basically tells us that well, it tells Blender that we're acting upon this class right here. So if you just run this, you can see that this button suddenly is grayed out, and that is because my condition here was not met, and the condition was that if there is no active object, this basically is not going to run. But if this condition is met, which I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, you can see that the button is able to be clicked again because I have an object in my scene. And object, context.activeObject, is actually not equal to none, which is what this is checking, and therefore this entire thing can run. So it might be a little bit confusing for some, but maybe you can try experimenting with it. This is a very simple example, but you can obviously make it a lot more complicated than this. You can check for a ton of conditions and stuff. But you have to keep in mind that this should return either true or false, and if it returns false, this is not going to work. You know, it's just going to be grayed out. And if it returns true, then this is going to be able to be ran. So that's pretty much all I wanted to explain. There isn't too much to it. All you have to know is that it can return true and false, and that you can use it to only under a certain condition run this operator. And actually, likewise, we can do the same thing with a panel up here, so maybe we can actually try doing that. There we go. As you can see, the panel disappeared, but if I add an object, the panel comes back up again. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you guys how to do that in case you for whatever reason needed to use that in your project. And I really hope this tutorial helped you guys out.